Hey everybody, I think I have at least partially figured out why I was getting such weird hits in class yesterday when I was searching for instances of three nouns together. So I'm going to, in AntConc, open my corpus manager, and I'm in raw files. I'm going to click add files, and then I'm going to collect the text that I have tagged. And remember, these look like this. So they have the word, underscore, and then some capital letters that tells us what part of speech each word is. So I'm going to open all of those, make sure that my indexer is the simple word POS headword indexer, and then I will create the corpus. Okay, now in class yesterday, I was doing a search with a wildcard, this asterisk, same thing you do in a Google search, an underscore followed by a capital N to signify a noun, and then another asterisk because there are different kinds of part of speech tags for different kinds of nouns. All of them start with N, so I want to capture all of those. So I'm going to do that 3 times separated by a space so that I collect instances of 3 of these. Whoops. And see what happens. And this is what was happening in class yesterday. I'm getting these instances of a noun and a preposition, and then a noun too. And I have a hard time believing that these are actually tagged as nouns, like the tagger would have tagged of as a noun. So I think what we can do to fix this is just add an additional N to each of my search terms. And this fixes the problem. So now I'm getting instances that are just nouns, nouns, nouns. 3 instances of 3 nouns. There are still some tagging errors. It's tagging some of these bullets as nouns, which is a problem. Got a little noise in there, but at least I'm getting cleaner data this way. I have put in our Canvas page something I forgot to put in yesterday. So this is a document in yesterday's class notes that shows you what all the possible part of speech tags are, and it looks like this. So in this spacey tagger that the TagAnt tool uses, you can see it does different kinds of nouns, so all of them begin with NN, and that's how we can make sure that we're only returning nouns. The tag for a preposition is IN, so you can see it's a preposition or some kind of subordinating conjunction. So we have singular or mass nouns, proper singular nouns with NNP, and then proper plural nouns, NNPS, and then just plural nouns with NNS. So I wanted to make this little video just to explain that that's the way to do this, and I hope it's helpful. Let me know if you have questions. I know this is new stuff for everybody, so I'm happy to discuss when questions arise. Thanks.